Fox Carolina is committed to you, and we're digging into an initiative that local healthcare systems say could be an essential thing in improving care for victims of violence. We're talking about violence prevention programs right inside of hospitals. And we caught up with counselors at MUSC who say these types of programs are underfunded and under-researched here in the Palmetto State.
That really makes a lot of sense when you think about this. Pretty cool idea. Our Matt Kaufax also spoke with Joe Cunningham, who intends to run for governor of South Carolina.
Stephen Wooten says he believes domestic violence and gun violence can often go hand in hand.
Domestic violence is horrible.
And he adds you may be surprised at who these issues affect.
Me being a man is weird to say, but I've been abused, and I left. Just leave.
Issues like the ones he faced and those that others face related to violence are things that medical professionals like Ashley Hink with MUSC say are long overdue in addressing.
A number of these programs have existed in other states and communities for many years now.
So we asked her what a program like this in South Carolina could look like.
These programs utilize individuals, advocates, to work with patients and families that might have risk factors for violence or might come in with a violent injury.
Hink says there is currently no funding for programs like these in the state, something that bothers her every time that she and her work at MUSC's Trauma Center in Charleston sees people coming in repeatedly with injuries from guns, domestic disputes, or in many cases, both.
Really ask the question, what is it that's brought them here today? And what services and supports can we offer in the healthcare system and in the community to help address those things?
She says it could be resources related to education, employment, housing services, or other mental health facilities. Potential gubernatorial candidate Joe Cunningham agrees.
Trying to break that cycle, trying to get them a job, trying to get them out of whatever dangerous situation they're in.
He says this initiative, part of his three-part plan to reduce gun violence, is something South Carolina must prioritize.
When we have the highest murder rate in South Carolina's history right now, that's a priority.
Matt Kaufax, Fox Carolina News.